Whenever our energy is low, whenever we are sad, we are not able to do our work properly. We are not effective and we are not productive, and hence our life seems very dull and work becomes low. So, what are we supposed to do? I have a program just for you, for all the organizations. It's called Hop to Happiness. It means in seconds you can change your emotional state from low energy to high energy and increase the energy level of the whole organization as such by a few very easy techniques that will change the environment, will change the joy and the happiness of the people around. So Hop to Happiness is just a program to change your vibration and match your frequency with your fellow workers and the divine universe.